Big projects like samplers can get overwhelming really quickly. So today I'm going to show you a few tips to get organized for a sampler project. I'm using blocks from the AQS Christmas Countdown quilt. This year there's going to be a 100 block sampler. That can get pretty overwhelming pretty quick. So I've gathered a few supplies. I've got blocks printed out, I have a 3-ring binder, and in my 3-ring binder I have page protectors, and I've got my pieces cut out already. But if you don't, that's fine. I'm going to open this book up, and I've got that first page protector. I like to do just one block to page so nothing gets overwhelmed. I'm going to go ahead and put my block in there. Once you have your block in the page protectors, there's 2 ways to go about it. You can either cut out one block at a time and keep it very organized that way, or you can go ahead and cut out everything at once and sort in order to put your blocks up. I've gone ahead and cut out one block at a time. I've got everything I need for this block. I'm going to put it down in the page protector where it's nice and safe. And now, as long as I'm not getting really wild with these pages, the static electricity will just kind of keep them safe and cozy in there for me. You see I've got that next block all done. And doing this, I'm able to keep my project completely at hand at all times. This organizational method is really great with smaller blocks because you can put the block back in that page protector as soon as you're done. And it works really well with applique. So I hope this has helped you get organized with your sampler projects, and thanks for watching.